how we're spending our February vacation, visiting with our friends. Julie and Amy. Go, Janie girl, go, go, go. You got it. Did you do it? Let me see you up there. Woo-hoo! Whoa! Wow! You went flying. Oh, Janie, your hands are going to be so cold. Woo! It is so cold out here, huh, Jane?
Oh, no, your hat's blowing off. How did that happen?
What happened?
I just bumped my head up here.
Well, be careful.
All right, you ready?
Janie, Sam, watch out. Sam, back up.
There you go, girl.
Woo! Let's come over here.